Hello there, I'm Mary Ellen and this is my channel Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. Here you'll find DIY crafts, plant-based recipes, videos of my cats, and all the beautiful chaos of my real-life endeavors. Nothing's perfect here. I'm just figuring it out as I go and sharing the messy magic along the way. If that sounds like something you are into, subscribe and follow so we can keep growing and learning together.
If you're looking for a fun, spooky, and budget-friendly Halloween craft, you're going to love this DIY Frankenstein jar decor. In this project, we'll turn an ordinary spaghetti sauce jar into a cute and creepy Frankenstein decoration, perfect for adding a festive touch to your Halloween home decor. You can use it as a Halloween candy jar, decoration, or Halloween gift idea for friends and neighbors. This quick and easy upcycled jar craft is affordable, eco-friendly, and packed with spooky charm. Whether you display it on your mantle, porch, or party table, this little Frankenstein will bring big smiles this Halloween season. What you'll need: 1 clean glass jar, green chalk paint, black paint, paint brushes or foam brushes, googly eyes, small screw bolts, Mod Podge, hot glue gun or craft glue. Apply green chalk paint all over the outside of the jar. You may need 2 coats for full coverage. Let each coat dry before applying the next. Using black paint, carefully paint the top portion of the jar to look like Frankenstein's hair or the top of his head. Allow it to dry completely. Use black paint and a fine brush to add Frankenstein's facial features, like a mouth, eyebrows, and scars. Let the paint dry before the next step. Once the paint is dry, apply a thin layer of Mod Podge over the entire jar. This helps protect your paint from scratching or peeling off over time. Glue on 2 googly eyes. Then attach the screw bolts on each side of the jar to complete Frankenstein's classic look. This DIY Frankenstein jar craft is a quick, fun, and affordable way to add a touch of Halloween magic to your home. Made with simple supplies, many you already have on hand, this spooky jar is perfect for decorating, gifting, or filling with treats. Whether you're a crafty beginner or a Halloween enthusiast, this Frankenstein decor idea is sure to light up your spooky season. So grab your paint, get creative, and bring this friendly monster to life, Frankenstein style.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Subscribe and stick around so we can craft and cook through the holidays together. I've got so many fun DIYs, recipes, and cozy ideas coming your way. Don't forget to check out my older videos too. There's plenty of holiday magic waiting for you there. Let's make this year messy, fun, and full of memories. See you next time.